in BSB, Business or SME Loan Terms and Conditions. Features of the SME loan in BSB. Featured are the most important things to consider loan before you get your loan. In BSB SME loan, no minimum or maximum amount of borrowing, 15 years of repayment, and monthly repayment. A minimum sum, no warambla amount limit, 15 years of repayment, and it's monthly repayment. Therefore, BSB SME loan, give him some benefit into SME Blue U. There are some certain benefits. Loan meets all your business needs, and then it's giveaway funds. Those are giveaway funds from BSB Bank, and then repayments are arranged under your business cash flow. They will understand your bank statement, and then they will arrange your repayment per month. So now we talk about business commercial loan. Business commercial loan, it's a commercial SME loan. Finance allows you to get SME loan in BSB Bank. So let's talk about BSB commercial loan. In BSB commercial loan, minimum is 20,000 and maximum is 3 million. In that loan, there are terms for your loan. 6 months or 60 months of repayment, and can develop upon your business types and cash flow. It's really depend on your business type. Before we move further on, please make sure you subscribe. Supporting button, subscribe button, stop site. You can press him, and then we will watch go on. Active financial statement and apply upon eligibility. Not gonna apply more or upon your bank statement. You see bank statement or the financial statement, and then it will help you. It will help you to apply to the maximum amount of your eligibility. And the repayment will be in arrears. That means that repayment of your company SME loan will be depending on the financial company's best interest. So therefore we call it interest rate of your SME loan. So it is a fixed interest rate, and interest rate will be upon the application. When you do your application for SME loan, they will tell you what interest rate you belong to. So they will identify which interest rate you belong. So you have to learn this statement called financial statement. Amount of money you make over the period of time, or monthly statement. It's called monthly turnover. Your cash flow within your SME account. So it's called SME account statement. To grow your SME loan, BSB will help you to get 20,000 first loan of your SME account. So it will be entirely depend on your business statement. So when you go for BSB will always help you to grow your small business. So BSB will always help you to grow your small SME business. Micro business loan is another form of loan, minimum of 1,000 and maximum of 20,000 also. So all forms of business loan is depend on your bank statement or financial statement. You can also get micro bank loan. It will depend also on your financial statement, minimum of 1,000 and maximum of 20,000. Those are giveaway loans. These are basic requirements when you apply for SME loan. Register your business name, business profile, TIN certificate, and IPA certificate. These are two company certificates given by the IPA and IRC office, respectively. So after your loan, you will be given a SME deposit account. So it's a savings account. You will deposit within a month, or a month in or month out. Please, but don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe button. Press him now. You may watch go on. So this is another also a SME loan, minimum of 5,000 and maximum of 500,000. Then you will be given an option to apply for SME current account, Visa or Safeguard. In addition, there will be some form of charges. There recommends you can go and see. Company's monthly interest rate will be depending on the financial statement or monthly turnover, monthly in and monthly out. Okay, now we come to our BSB SME account statement. This is what SME account statement looks like. Okay, account summary gives you the monthly or the weekly summary of all the transactions, withdrawal and deposits you made over the first 3 to 4 months. Depending on the payment or the financial statement and the history of your SME account, you will be given certain SME loan principles. So you will have a profile, and then this is the company TIN certificate you will be using in your company profile to apply for any form of SME loan within BSB Bank, and this is the SME certificate will be given by the IRC and IPI respectively. So for now, peace.